Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a real-time application in browser which is audio converter, which is here you can just convert your audio. So this is a Flask project here. Flask is a Python framework. So this is the application. Here you can choose any sort of MP3 file. So I will select this file. You can see that this is a song here, 77.2 MB. If I here you can inside the drop down you can select the format. So if I want to convert this FLAC sound file to MP3 and click the convert button, so it will take some processing time. So you will see it is running the ffmpeg command here. So make sure that you have ffmpeg installed. So you can see the file was pretty large here, so that is why it taken too much time. So we need to select a very simple file which is 6.2 megabytes. So you can see this is in MP3 format. So if I want to convert this to WAV file, if I click convert, so in the background it will run this command ffmpeg. So it is complete. So now you can see as the attachment this file is completed. So in this way you can convert to any file format, let's suppose OGG. So now it is taking some time here. So this is the application we will be building here. So I have given all the source code inside the video description here. So you can go to the video description. So this is my blog post. So just go to the video description, you will be landing on this blog post. So this is a sound converter. So we are using ffmpeg library. So if you don't know ffmpeg, it's a open source library for handling sound video. So make sure that you install this library before you proceed on your computer. So the instructions is pretty simple. Click the download button and make sure that you download for either Linux, Windows or Apple. So now first of all guys, go to my blog post here. So all the instructions are given inside this blog post. So first of all, make sure that you have Flask installed. So I will close this folder here. So cd, so I will make a new folder which is mp3 converter. So I will cd into this converter, mp3 converter, and make sure that you have Flask installed. So this takes pip install Flask, and make sure that you have Python 3 installed on your computer. So this will take hardly 2 minutes. So after that guys, let me just close this also. And now first of all I have given the GitHub repository link here. So just click at the bottom of the blog post. So this is the GitHub repository of this project. So what you need to do is that just click it, copy this URL, or you can also download the zip file as well. And after downloading it, or use the git command as well. So git is a tool, command line tool. So you can just download git, just type on Google. So this is a famous tool for command line users. So git clone and paste this URL, and now it will clone it inside your local file system. So we need to cd into this Flask ffmpeg media converter. So just follow these steps that I'm doing here, and I have also illustrated it inside the blog post as well. So if you don't have Flask installed, first of all execute this command pip install Flask inside the same directory, pip install Flask. So I have already installed this. So after that you need to set the environment variable as well. So this is set Flask underscore app in the capital letters is equal to main 01.py. So just execute this command and then run Flask run to run the application. So now it will run your application at port number 5000. So if you need to open this localhost 5000, so your app is ready. So you can see, you can choose your file here, select the format, click convert. So it will execute the command in the background. So some error take place. So you need to rectify this error guys. So this is the error that we have. So you need to just follow the video. It is very easy. Open it inside a command line editor. So I'm using Visual Studio Code text editor. Go to this file main01.py. Go to the line number 60 here. So there was a mistake here. So you need to do the same things that I am doing here. So just edit this file like this, just delete this code here and just save it once again and run the command once again, flask run. So once again open this, choose your file. Now this time it will work. Choose your format, click convert. So you will see it will run your command. So it has taken a lot of time here, so let me just choose once again and choose this time this format, click convert. So you can change this, edit this, the amount of time taken by the application before it timeouts. So you can see it has downloaded it as an attachment, FLAC. You can change this to wave as well, click convert. Again it has just downloaded it as a wave file. And you can also edit this application as well, about page, home page, if you need to deploy it on your own website as well. So this is open source. I am just giving this source code to you. You can also add some more options as well. You can search on Google. So if you are building your own converter, just search a list of MP3 extensions. So if you need to make it for more, so FLAC, AAC, you can also add a AAC option as well. So you can customize this application according to your choices here. So this is the layout. You can also change the layout as well, give it a logo, your own logo. So this is a download folder where your downloaded files are stored. This is uploaded folder where you upload your own files. You can also delete these files once you are done. So this is the overall application, guys. We are also using some JavaScript as well for doing the processing with FFmpeg, and also we are using HTML for the template files. So this is the overall application in Flask framework. So hopefully you like this video. So I will be seeing you in the next video.